Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to the Custom Adventurist. So today we'll be comparing the Apple Watch 8 Ultra to the S8 Plus. Now this is of course a fake at the Apple Watch S8 Ultra, and right off the bat we can already tell there's some major differences in the packaging here. First, you just get this little itty bitty little box compared to this massive chungus, just the size difference of both of these. It's just ridiculous. Like, this could fit 2 boxes within this right here, at least 2. On top of that, it's a lot shorter. And also, probably to add why it's smaller, is the little band for the Apple Watch, for the fake one, comes on the outside. So that probably helps with why it's so small. So let's start off with the fake here. Just lift up the case, and right away we have the Apple Watch with an additional band, so that actually gives you 2, so it gives you more than the Apple Watches, which is kind of funny. But let's get on to the actual Apple Watch. Just open that up, nice and smooth. And we have a sick design going on here. It gives us this little starter guide manual. You know, they always give something like this, but it's definitely jumbo size this year. I'm assuming this houses the Apple Watch and this the band. So let's open right up to the Apple Watch. Okay, gives that's the Apple Watch in this nice little glove here. Just gotta unfasten these, and it gives us the Apple Watch there. It's pretty sick. It then gives us our charging cord right there, and then last but not least, we have the new band, which is kind of sick, not gonna lie. Okay, so moving on to the fake, it already comes pre-installed with a band, as we said before. They actually do have a little protective, a little plastic thing, just like the actual Apple Watch. And right off the bat, you can just tell that, well, they kind of just cut the color wrong. Like, we definitely ordered, well, at least in the pictures, it definitely looked like this, as opposed to like that goldish color that this is. On the back, looks like we got a little plastic thing covering all of it right there. Take that off. Okay, so just overall, the actual Apple Watch is looking better and a little bigger at this point. Yeah, look at that. It's definitely a lot smaller. And for the rest of the box, they give us a charging cord. You know, unlike years past, they actually have an indent here. It used to be flat. I mean, it's still bigger than the Apple Watches, and it's not the size, but it's not flat this time. Good job, guys. And now I just realized this when I was taking these off to replace it with the actual watch band, is these things don't have a button to release, so you just kind of pull it off, which I don't think it makes it extremely secure, so kind of a design flaw there. Okay, now it's time to pair the 2 watches. So we're gonna start off with the fake watch. I think what we have to do is we have to turn it on, go down here into settings, and then click on connect here. Oh, okay, and it actually gives us a QR code to scan. Let's hope this is a legit QR code and not a bunch of garbage. So we're gonna scan that QR code, click on Apple Store. Okay, so it takes us to this Already Fit app, which we're gonna download real fast. Okay, and that's downloading now. Here we go. Open that up. Now we're gonna deny access to our location. Don't really trust most of that. Sure, let's turn on all. Allow. Okay. So you can see on the app that it gives us step counts, sleep. It tracks our sleep. Gives us the sports stuff. Okay, now here's where we add the device. I'm gonna assume it's the SL. I'm actually not sure. I'm gonna go for the WS8. Yeah, actually no. This is the S8 Plus. So okay, now we're supposed to activate WS8 call. So you can see we're connected twice here. Alright, now moving on. It gives you the QR code for management. Okay, it's just not exactly sure what this is. Oh, you can add QR codes to things. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so anyway, that's connected up. Let's connect the Apple Watch. The real Apple Watch. Should we tap on the watch thing here, add a watch. Click on setup for myself. And then this should pull up a cool little screen that gives you a bunch of stuff. And then right there, your Apple Watch is paired. Apps and data, continue. But just like that, our new Apple Watch is paired. It takes a couple minutes, but it's really just that simple. Alright, so now I'm going to be comparing the two side by side. Of course, we have the fake on the right and the real on the left. Let's just go on ahead and go into the menu screen. What the? So that doesn't work. What about this button? Oh, there we go. Alright, let's scroll out. Of course, we have a lot more apps on this one because this is an actual Apple Watch that I use in real life. And then this, we just have the basics. Ooh, oh, that's slow. See, like this, you get like the nice smooth. Yeah. You got this. Bleh, bleh, bleh. What the fetch? Okay. So apparently for this one, every time you move it, it changes the screen. That's kind of sick, actually. I wonder if we can interact. Like, what about this one? What the? It changes the color. That's okay. That's sick. So you can interact with this thing. Does that work for other ones? Okay, yeah. So it works for this. All right. So it's got some different features. That's kind of cool. Okay. Let's get back to them over here. Let's just do side by side. Yeah, it's oh, that's rough. This thing kind of sucks. I know. Let's see. I know we did this test in the past. Well, let's do the blood oxygen. I genuinely want to see if they fix this. Alright, so we have both the blood oxygens right here. And I think this thing's already scanning. We're going to start over here and just scan both of them. Okay, so right off the bat, they gave me an unsuccessful measurement for this. And, oh jeez. Blood oxygen's 98% for air. Gotta love that. 98% for the air. Good job, team. Good going. You guys are doing great. What the heck is this? Is this like Siri? Oh, shoot. It's not connected to the phone. That's awkward. It's just so slow. It's so clunky. And you can hear, like, every time you scroll with this, it's like a click every single time. Let's see if you guys can hear that. It's just grindy as opposed to this, so it's just smooth. It's just so much. I mean, the actual one's so much freaking better. Like, this thing is a piece of garbage. I mean, of course they're trying to replicate it, but it's just not worth it. You're not gonna be cool if you do this. It's just not worth it. This thing's poop. Oh yeah, and so you know how we have the orange button here, which like you can program, and I programmed this to like go to workouts, right? This thing, it's just not button. That's the only thing it does. This thing is essentially useless unless you want to scroll. This button will get you here, and then you just turn it off. That's all you really get. Now I want to see if it gives us a decent heart rate measurement, because obviously it failed. And this keeps bugging me. How it moves in and out. It's just so inconvenient. So now we're gonna see if it gives us a decent heart rate. Like, can they at least get this part right? No, bruh. Oh my, bruh. What is this garbage? Again, we have air currently at 83 beats per minute. Oh, mercy. These guys, you gotta get something right. Okay, did they at least get the calculator right? Let's see if they can at least do the calculator. I can't even click on it. There we go. Okay, 4 plus 4. No, plus 4 equal. Okay, they got that right. Good job, team. You got something right. Basically what we could take from this, fake Apple Watch doesn't really look all that much like the real thing. I mean, they screwed up the color. It's puny. It sucks. The only screen that looks semi-convincing is either like this or this. This one I think the Apple Watch actually has, and that's a cool screen, especially because you can change the colors there. What the frick? Okay, and if we double tap, that gives us Siri. Okay, the more you know, huh? Basically, this thing's a piece of trash. Don't buy it. It's fake. It's not worth it. You won't be cool if you wear this. You'll just be humiliated because everyone's gonna figure out that this thing's fake. Anyway, have a good day. But wait, you thought it was over? Nope. Check out the sick montage.